Alright, welcome to another DIY reaction. So here we have someone with some wood. Some more wood. Oh, it looks like she has those pieces that you can do like the faux wooden tiles. Some type of lighting here. Whoa, she's creating artwork. Wow, this is a beautiful idea. Oh, I love this. So cute. Love this idea. I like how it has a lighting too. This is just really cool. Alright, so here we have some type of like egg holder. So it looks like the first one she tried didn't work because we saw the broken eggs there. So she's going back in. I feel like this would be like, I don't know, just get the one from Amazon. That's actually the one I have. Or just keep your eggs in the carton. You don't need to put them on a tray. It looks cool though. But yeah, how sturdy is that for your eggs? Like, is that going to hold up? Because it kind of looks kind of flimsy. Alright, so here we have a vase. Looks like they're upgrading it. So at first it was like a fun, funky color, and just going in and doing like a rustic kind of. Oh, this is a lamp. Oh, okay. Wow, that is cool. Oh, I love that idea. So she took a vase and turned it into a lamp. Wow, very impressive. Alright, so here we have a bunch of wooden hoops. Okay. Looks like they're making, what do they call these things? Like the plant, like the hanging planter. Now this is a pretty basic design. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So if home decor is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like today's video and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest DIY trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. And then we have a vase and the little wooden pieces. Now we already know where this is going if you do follow this channel. They're clearly going to paint over this. And the little wooden pieces are some texture being added to the vase. I like the color though, it's like a really soft gray. Oh, I wonder if she made that coffee table too, that's really cute. Alright, so we got some glue gun artwork. What in the, oh, it's a flower. Oh, that's cool. Alright, here's another DIY. What is this here we're looking at? Okay, so we got a professional advanced DIY. They are working with wood. Got 3 pieces of the wood going in with some varnish. Oh, they made some shelves. That's cute. I like the entryway, that's really cool. Oh wow, look at all those plants. definitely a plant lover. Alright, so moving on, we got some cement cupcakes here. Looks like they are making candle holders. Whenever I see that like cupcake outline, I always think of Reese's Pieces. Am I the only one that does that? Because like as soon as I see it, I'm like, oh, Reese's Pieces, which I love, by the way. Alright, so we got some, oh, okay, this is interesting. I've seen the hack where people have used like lemon peels to make the candles, but never oranges. They probably smell amazing, I bet. Alright, so the next DIY, oh, looks like crochet. Oh wow, that is a really cool mirror. Alright, so we got some clay here. Okay. Oh, I see some golds. I have to have at least one DIY per video that features gold. Like, that's the protocol. That is a really cool jewelry tray. Alright, so we got some paint here. Oh, we got some stones. Okay, so this is for the texture. See, there's so many different ways you can add texture to something. I really love that idea. Wow, they got a lot going on this bookcase here. They got crates and they're just like filled with like plants and yeah, it's a lot going on. Alright, corkboard makeover. Okay, we got some wood. It looks like they're making a frame. I like the color scheme on this, the print with the pink. That's pretty. Kind of add a little something different to the room, add some interest. DIY arts. Alright, so what do we got here? Okay, that's pretty simple. I almost kind of wish you would have did like black and white with the color. Then we got some more artwork here. Okay, she's doing that hack where you like create texture with the robe and then paint it. This is like very popular right now on TikTok, FYI. Oh, I like that piece a lot better than the other one she just did. That looks pretty cool. Alright, so here she is making something else. Oh, it's the same one. Okay. Cool, yeah. Like I said, this is trending on TikTok right now. So if you want an easy way to upgrade some artwork, this would be a cool idea to try. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all of these DIY reactions. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.